Hello friends, welcome to my channel Real Growth Tech Digital Marketing. Today's topic is about mail merge with Google Sheet. With this mail merge, you can send 100 emails per day, both professional and personalized. So in this tutorial, I will teach you step by step of how to create a mailing list, how to create a template and send your message on no time. This mail match technique is very useful for marketers to do email marketing, for sending the personalized emails, and also day-to-day administration process. Let's go to my laptop screen and discuss in detail.
This is my laptop screen. Go to your Gmail account. Log into my Gmail account. Here, go to Compose. So already created one mail. It is in the draft. So you have drafted the mail saying the invitation to my birthday party. Here you have to write the same thing here. In between the arrow, you have to write the name, dear name. And write the mail, whatever the mail you want to send to your friends, relatives, and colleagues. After that, you save it to draft. See, this mail has been saved to draft. Okay, closed. See, it is saved to draft. Go to the new browser. Here in search bar, type Google Sheet. Google Sheet. You click on firstly. Click on Go to Sheets. Click on Blank Sheet. See the novel. Blank sheet is open. Here, go to the extension, add-ons. Click on Get Add-ons. So add-on page is opened. Here in search bar, yet another mail merge. Yet, see it's showing two options. Click on first one. Yet another mail merge. Mail merge for Gmail. Okay. Click on the first one. Mail merge for Sheets. Click on this. Click on Install. Click on Continue. So it's asking authentication of your Gmail account. Click on your Gmail account. Scroll down. Click on Allow. See, it is showing yet another mail merge has been installed to your Gmail account. Click on Next and click on Done. So it is asking to import the Google contacts. It is asking the contacts to send a mail to your clients or friends or colleagues. So don't do anything, just cancel it. Go to extension in add-ons. See, this add-ons has been installed to your Google Sheet. Here, so with this add-ons, you can send 100 mails per day. So it's very useful for you to send mails, both professional and personal. Click on yet another mail merge and click on Start Mail Merge. So requesting you to import the Google contacts. So click on cancel. So as soon as you click on the mail merge, it will insert the email address like this. You click on right click, insert one column to the left, and type dear name. Dear name. Whatever the name you have written in your email. See, I will show you in the draft. Dear name. As it is, you have to mention there as it is. Okay. Dear name and email address. You type the name Raghav and type the email ID. You can also import the data from Google Sheet also. I will type few emails for the sake of your understanding. Manish. I have written three contact details, email address, and the name. After that, go to the extension, go to your add-ons, get another mail merge, click on stop mail merge. Here, write the sender name. I will send my name, ShindheK. Here in email template, click on this arrow and select your drafted mail, the mail which you have drafted earlier. Select the subject, invitation to my birthday party. Select this and click on send three emails. You can send a test mail. You can schedule the mail. If you want to send the mail later, you can do it. Otherwise, you can send the mail immediately. Click on this button. I have listed only three email IDs. That's why it is showing three emails. Click on this button. Now it's sending the mail. See, all mails have been sent. Three emails have been sent. And click on close. See, after sending the mail, already it has sent a status through Google Sheet. Merge status email sent, and including the time. And also the tracking report. If you want to check the mail which I have sent, go to the Gmail account. See, I got a mail. Subject invitation to birthday party. See, the mail which I have drafted and sent it to add other mail merge add-ons. I got a mail. Again, go to the mail merge. Click on refresh. So it is showing one email ID is bounced because I have mistakenly written a wrong email ID. See, another is showing in a green. It is email open. Right now I have opened the mail. The same mail status is showing here. Open on the date and so and so date and time. The same like this. It will also show the tracking report also. Like this, you can send up to 100 mails per day. And this mail merge also showing the status of tracking report. See how many emails are delivered, how many emails are opened, how many are clicked, how many of them are responded on bounced and unsubscribed. See, it is delivered 2 emails, one opened emails, and bounced 1 emails. Like this, it show the complete tracking report of your mail sent. Okay, so it's very easy to use, and you can send up to 100 mails per day.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video helps a lot in understanding mail merge with Google Sheet. Implement this mail merge technique in your day-to-day administration and marketing process. Definitely, it will help you to promote your business and save time. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe and like to my channel. So in future also, I will bring useful information on videos which will enhance your knowledge.